Web3 crew, Krista right here at Dubai AI Festival 2025, and I am with the head of marketing of Aiverest, Miss Tingying. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good. Hi, everyone. So we are Aiverest company, and this is our product, A-Gym. So what is it? It's a non-contact health monitoring equipment. You just put it beside the bed, and it can continuously to monitor your heart rate, heartbeat, breathing, and the sleep status without any contact. So you don't need to wear anything like a watch, like a ring, during your sleep. So when you wake up, it will show you a report to tell you how is your health, how is your sleep last night. Yeah.
Interesting. So, what's the story behind this project?
Actually, we think, and also we think that there are many people don't like to wear device during sleep because they are very uncomfortable. So we find a way that which way can solve this question, this problem. So we find that the millimeter wave radar can solve these problems. So the millimeter wave radar and our technology is inside, so it can continuously to monitor the data. So you don't need to wear anything. Yeah.
Okay, it's good because some people are into like wearing those stuffs like just to check their things. At least now, is it available globally right now?
Actually, we now selling in the China.
Already.
Yes, we from Shenzhen and Shanghai. So, but we plan to sell it overseas because we think many people overseas also care about their health and also care about their parents, their friends' health. Yes, so we planned it. Yeah.
And how does this work? How does this work?
How it works, right? It has millimeter wave radar.
Oh.
Our technology is inside, so it can capture the movement of your heartbeat, like when your heart like
Yes.
boom boom, then it
Yes.
will capture this data.
Yeah.
It's a new technologies, so it's a very new one in this world, actually.
What makes your company, let's say, what makes your company unique? What sets it apart from all the companies?
Actually, many device need to wear. So, but many people during the sleep don't need to wear, especially during sleep. So, the great point is that we don't need to wear.
Yes.
We don't need to wear. This is the first one, and the second one is more accurate. Yeah, the data will more accurate, and the third one has no camera and no microphone inside. No. So it can protect your privacy. Yes.
And do you guys this device can also check whether you have something like sick, if you have sick or something or anything about health, they can see it.
Yeah, of course, like a heart, like a breath, and something like a sleep apnea. Yeah. So it's very important. Yes.
So for now, it's not yet available, right? Not yet available globally. So when can we buy it in case if people are interested of buying it?
Yes, I see. Because many people interested in this product, and we will launch it on maybe Kickstarter this year. So let's see it.
All right. Thank you so much. Then after this event, do you have any? Where are you heading to next? Any upcoming events after this, or any future projects to launch?
We maybe will launch on the Kickstarter. Kickstarter. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. And last question, what do you think is the future of money?
Well, I think just use phone pay is in the future. Yeah.
Because you don't use cash anymore. Right?
I don't like use cash anymore. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Tingying. And last, describe this event, Dubai AI Festival 2025 in one word.
It's innovation.
Innovation. Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you get a lot of insights from her. This is me, Krista. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.